Hello students, welcome all in my channel. Next topic is about what are the different types of supervised learning algorithm. In previous class we have learned about the supervised learning algorithm, which means we provide the training data set and testing data set to the model and which should be labeled data. So next we will going to use about the supervised learning algorithm, what are different type of supervised learning algorithm and where we are using these algorithm. So first supervised learning algorithm is regression. Regression means that algorithm is used if there is a relationship between the input variables and output variable. If we want to find the relationship between two variables, which one first one is input and the second one is output, then we will consider regression algorithm for for regression, right? First of all, what we will use, there are some application where we are using this, like weather forecasting for the market trends. There we are using regression algorithm. Below are some popular regression algorithm like linear regression, regression tree, non-linear regression, Bayesian linear regression and polynomial regression. So these are some of the regression techniques or algorithm where we are using regression algorithms. And second is classification. Classification algorithm are used when the output variable is categorical. So here in regression we use numerical variable, and in classification we used categorical variable. Categorical means in the form of in the range of 0 and 1 or in the form of yes and no. So here in classification we use categorical variable, whereas in linear regression we will use the numerical variable. So here if we want to do the classification in the form of yes, no, male, female, true, false, and where we need as a 0-1 relationship, then we will use the classification algorithm. And if we want the result in the form of numeric digit, like for market trends, weather forecasting, price increase, price prediction, so there we will use the linear regression. So here there are some of the application of linear classification like spam filtering, random forest, decision tree. To take decision we use the decision tree. Logistic regression is one of the algorithm where we use the classification. And last is the support vector machine. So these are 4 to 5 algorithms of the classification. So let's check about the advantages of supervised learning and what are the disadvantages. So first is the advantages. Let's check this. First of all, we see what are the advantages. So with the help of supervised learning, the model can predict the output on the basis of prior experience. So with the help of supervised learning model, we can get an output on the basis of prior experience. In supervised learning, we can have an exact idea about the class of the objects. We can get the classes of objects. So in supervised learning, we have an exact idea of classes. Next, we can use or solve different various real world problems like fraud detection, spam filtering, mail classification, image classification. So here where these are some of the terms where we use supervised learning. Disadvantages are some, like supervised learning model are not suitable for handling the complex tasks. If we want to solve very different kind of tasks which is complex, then supervised learning models are not suitable. We will have to take another algorithm like unsupervised learning algorithm. Supervised learning cannot predict the correct output if the test data is different from the training data set. So if you are providing supervised learning and we will want output, so it will not predict the correct output if test data is different. So you have to provide test data similar to your output. Training required lots of computation time, and in supervised learning we need enough knowledge about the classes of object, which kind of objects having which kind of classes. So these are some of the advantages and disadvantages of supervised learning algorithm. Next, in the next class we will going to learn about the unsupervised learning. So I hope this is clear to everyone what is supervised learning, what are the different supervised learning algorithm, and what are the application what advantages and disadvantages of supervised learning algorithm. I hope this is clear to everyone. Thank you for watching this channel. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel, and also share to your friends. Thank you. Thank you everyone.